My name is Tom Field. I'm an equity partner at Beermann LLP. I've been practicing family law since 2003. I practice primarily in Cook and Lake counties in Illinois. I also hit the major collar counties like DuPage, for example. And over the last several years, I've found that through my network, there's a need for me to be flexible enough to practice out of state as well. My typical client is a high net worth individual who has some complexity to their estate. The work I do for clients varies depending on their needs. So it ranges from doing pre or post-nuptial agreements to parentage cases, as well as divorce matters that contain extensive marital assets. What a client can expect during an initial consultation is a thorough assessment of their particular circumstance. I want them to speak to me. I want to give them an opportunity to be heard. Most people that come in have been very private about what's going on in their lives and haven't really had a chance to open up and talk about what's going on with them. Thereafter, I will ask some probative questions so that I make sure I understand what their circumstance is, and then I educate them. I want them to understand how the law applies to their case. And finally, I will explain to them not just the process, but what their expectations should be, what their expectations of a result should be, what their expectations of me as their lawyer should be, so that when they leave that day, there should be no doubt in their mind who they want to hire and who the best person to hire for their case is. When the case is over, what I do for all of my clients is I make sure that they've got a setup. What I mean by that is I want them to have a banking relationship. I want to make sure they've got their accountant in place. I want to make sure they've got a financial advisor who they have a relationship with. These are all the needs that people have that are my clients, and I don't like to send them on their way until I'm sure that those needs are filled. My clients can expect the best from me. Whether they walk in and have a minor issue or a more minor estate, if they're a fit for me and they hire me, they will get the best.